we go again. Rolex, Rolex, Rolex. Look at that. Look at that right there. GMT mask. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy Pete Ross, back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out. We got some Vario straps in, you know what I mean? And we're about to check them out right quick. I've been waiting to do this for a while, so let's get into it, yo. Shoot. Open these joints up, see what's going on with them. All right. Bang. Uh-oh. There we go. All right, this one fell out, but it's all good. I heard a lot of great things about Vario. So this one here is the Harris Tweed Merlot red strap. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to get something different. I really like the way that material feel. You know what I mean? So that's the first one. Let's look at this one right here. This one is the elastic nylon Nato olive green. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. All right, elastic. Look at that. Check that out. That's right. That's hot. That's hot. Okay, that's that one. This plastic out the way. All right. The next one is another Harris Tweed. This is a pecan brown. They're calling this, again, pecan brown. Nice, and again, I love the way this material feels. It's a little stiff, but you know, as you put it on the wrist, you know what I'm saying, it'll loosen up. All right. And this last one here is a vintage distress Italian leather mocha brown watch strap, and guess what, guys? It is quick freaking release. My favorite. Check that out. Genuine Italian leather. Alright. Vario in the building. So these are the 4 straps that they sent me. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're going to try them on some watches. All right, so just stand by so we can check this out. All right, and here we go, people. All right, I got the nylon one on my Seiko Flightmaster. Then I got the Harris Tweed on my vintage Omega Geneve. Then I have the Merlot Harris Tweed on my Hamilton Khaki Field, and the distressed leather strap on my Hamilton Khaki King. You know what I'm saying? To be honest, all of these look great. They honestly look great. You know, I think so. What y'all think? I think they look great on. Each strap looks great. So we're gonna go ahead, try them on the wrist right quick. Stand by. The first strap on my classic Seiko Flightmaster. The nylon feels great on here. You know what I mean? So, and I think this looks quite dapper. All right, here go the Harris Tweed brown pecan strap on my Omega Geneve. Again, it's kind of stiff on the wrist now, but once you get to wearing this joint, you know what I'm saying, everything should work out fine. But I like the way that look with that brown on that Omega. Right here, the Hamilton Khaki Field on the Harris Tweed. And just like the brown pecan strap, you know, it all work out once you start wearing these and they'll get unstiff. But as far as quality go, quality is definitely the bomb. Hamilton Khaki King on a distressed Italian leather strap from Vario. Oh, I also meant to point out that their buckles are signed too, which is actually a nice touch. You know what I mean? But yeah. So yes, overall, what I think about Vario straps, I think they are definitely worth it. Some nice quality straps. You know what I mean? Like this elastic is just incredible. And it feels very, very comfortable. The hair's tweeds, of course, being a brand new strap. I believe you have to wear it a little bit more in order to loosen them up. You know what I mean? You know, because they're kind of stiff, but once you get to wearing them, they'll loosen up. Then you have the the distressed Italian leather strap right here. You know what I mean? Which is also comfortable. So I highly recommend Vario straps. You know what I'm saying? Get into it. This your boy P. Ross, and we out. Peace.